Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Marston, Zimtech guy. Alright, so in this video we're going to be unboxing the M8 Smart Band. Now this should not be mistaken with the Mi Band 8 from Xiaomi, right? We'll review this later on the channel, so stay tuned for that. So let me just put that to the side, but already I'm sure you can tell maybe the differences between the two. Look at the box and the color that's here. And what's here at the top here, it's written Mi, and here it's written M8. All right, so yeah, the box, I think it came just a bit messed up in shipping, but here are the specs that you can expect from the Smart Band 8. Yeah, so if you look on the picture, it's pretty much the Mi Band 8, but let's see what's inside the box and see if it matches what it says on the box. Okay. Okay, just put this box here and see what is in here. We have the straps themselves. Okay, so these are pretty much the ones that we on here since I think the M6, and pretty straightforward. This one is in red. Let's just put that to the side, and okay, we have the manual, the user manual, pretty standard stuff. Okay, so we're going to be setting it up. We're going to use this QR code here. Let's just put that to the side as well. Let's see what else is in the box. All right, so here we have pretty much the same charger that was on the M7 and M6, still here. Now let's see if the band itself, if there are any changes. All right, now, okay, right off the bat, let me just, okay. Yeah, the band pretty much looks like last year's band. I do not see any sort of changes between this band and the one that was there last year. So I think the only difference maybe is the box. The box, that's pretty much what is changed. But yeah, so let's see if there's any power in it. Let's try to switch it on. Okay. Okay, looks like there's no power. Let me just pause this video a bit, recharge it, and go through the menus before we set it up on our phones. All right, so I've managed to charge the M8. As you can see, the interface. Now, obviously, this is not a good replica of the original one. If you can just bring, this is what the Mi Band 8 is like, right? If I just press, sorry, just go back. Okay, even the menus, you can tell that these are the same, pretty much the same icons from last year. All right, so like, let's look at this watch face and this one. You can compare the two. Now, with this one, the screen is tiny, and as you can see with the proper Mi Band 8, the screen is bigger, right? All right, so like I said, let's go through the menus. Let's go through the menus. Okay, heart rate, sports. If you have the M7, you can see that these icons are pretty much the same from last year, right? Pretty much the only other difference I think is the watch faces. Let me see if we can, okay, let me see if I can hold. Okay, press and hold again. So it has 3 watch faces, right? So let's see if we can link this to the phone. Let me just put it in here. I think the guys who make these M7s are getting lazy. It's pretty much the same. This has pretty much been the same design from the past 3 years. I think the only difference is this face here, this watch face that's here, but everything else is the same. the sensors, everything pretty much remains the same. So yeah, let's see if we can connect this. Hey guys, so for us to be able to connect the M8 to our phone, we're going to go to this menu here. Just click where it says more, just keep holding it. Click again, click until you find this QR code here. And we're also going to need like a QR code or barcode scanner, like here. Let me just click open. Let me just give it permissions while using this app. All right, or we can go to the manual, which is here, and just scan it. Let's see if I can do that. All right, so I've scanned it, and here saying, let me just click open. Here we should be able to see what sort of app will be working with the M8. Last year, I'm sure they were using the FitPro app. Not sure if it's the same. All right, so we want to download from Google Play. All right, yes, so it's the FitPro app. Once again, just come here and click where it says install. Just click install. I'm going to fast forward this bit until the app finishes downloading, then we continue from there. All right, so the FitPro app has finished downloading. Okay, let's just click open. Okay, now let me just give it permissions. Allow, agree. Okay. All right, SMS, what personal permissions. Let me just click agree as well while using this app. So it's loaded into the FitPro app. Now we have to sync between the watch and the app, and to do that we come here where it says set. Just come click there, and here where it says bind devices to experience more features. So let's just click on that. As you can see, the time here is 9:28 on the M8. Let's see. All right, so it's saying allow more permissions, location services. Let me just click OK. Okay, back. All right, so let me do it again. Bind devices. Okay, so this is the one written 716. Let me just click on it. Check the time. Sorry, it was it's trying to connect. So the time is 9:04, which is the time here. So it means it has synced together. As you can see, the FitPro app is connected. If you go to the home, as you can see, here it's saying like the steps that I've. Let me just click and hold. It's saying here, as you can see, it's saying 103 steps, and here it's saying 103 steps. So this is pretty much how we connect the M8 to the FitPro app. If this video was helpful, guys, please give it a thumbs up. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.